A Starburst Candy Rose with Prism Powder? What? Yeah, a pastel Halloween vibe. Duh. Hi guys, it's almost Halloween.
That is really, really good timing.
And I have great news because this week Fancy Sprinkles is doing their Halloween sale. Get them while they're hot, get them while you can. Don't drop them. Also, I'm a cat.
We were looking for a kitten.
Wow. So it's Halloween and we cannot trick or treat. Cool. So we need to be creative. What does that mean? More candy hacks. I know. We're gonna be making Starburst Candy Roses. You're like, how do we do that? Don't worry, I got you. It's super easy. If I can do it, basically anyone can do it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, step one, grab your Starbursts. I'm gonna start with 4. I think we're gonna end up using like 8. People who don't like pink Starbursts, I don't trust them. They're like, but it tastes like medicine. No, it doesn't. It tastes like amazingness in your mouth.
You're a weird lady.
4 Starbursts. Cool. We're gonna put them in the microwave for 5 to 6 seconds. Ignore my tail, or don't, do what you want. Okay. They're in. Also, sometimes it takes more than 5 to 6 seconds. Like if you need to do 8 or 10, do that. So then you're gonna take a cup and you're just gonna smash them a little bit. Not too hard, be gentle with them. They've been through a lot. Then you're gonna pick them up and they're pretty malleable at this point. You're gonna kind of shape them into a petal shape. Pretty easy. Then I'm gonna be using Sugar Ray. This is gonna just look really good on the rose. And I know you're thinking, why a rose? Why is that Halloween? First of all, it's a pretty shape. Second of all, in any like scary movie, there's always a creepy rose, right? Or like a magic rose. And then it's like, well, what's Halloween if it's not magic? Just go with it. Just go with it.
Who'd you talking about?
Okay. You're gonna take the sprinkles and you're just gonna kind of put them on the Starburst. You're gonna take your little stick, wrap it around so it's in the shape of a little rose. Super easy. See how cute that is? Gorgeous. Lay her down, and while you do that with the other petals, we have our second Starburst petal. This is so cute. You wrap it around the other petal and it starts to look like a flower. Oh my God, guys. We call that in the biz a reheat.
Okay, this is fun.
Now we throw the other petal on and you're just shaping it to look like a flower. It's like pretty, what's the word? Easy. Pretty easy. I saw people doing this online and I'm like, no, it's cool. It's definitely cool, but it's missing something. I'm like, what is it missing? Oh, I know. Fancy sprinkles. Anybody can make a Starburst rose. Look, can you make a fancy sprinkle Starburst rose?
Yes!
So like, she's really starting to look like a cute little rose. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with 4 other Starbursts. And like for the petal placement, do not fret. Like if you're fretting, don't. Guys, it kind of looks like a tongue. Cat got your tongue? I don't know what that means, but it's where we're at. Do you? We're putting our last petal on. Then you just decorate the insides. Oh, somebody's vacuuming outside, that's fun. Can you hear them? They talk about us. I mean, then you're gonna take your Prism Powder. I'm gonna use tourmaline pink. You get your brush from which you purchased on Fancy Sprinkles, a dead cam.
High five.
Do a little dip. Wow, 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 wow. Gorgeous. You can use any blend you want for these. You can use Haunted Mansion. You can use the orange Starburst with Haunted Mansion. Or, you know how they make purple Starburst? You can use Goosebumps for that. You can just do any different kind. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, hold on. Oh my God. Look at her layers. She's complex. She goes deep. She's like an onion. And she's just gorgeous. Guys, this is her. I love her. She's beautiful. She's complex. She's sparkling. Like, she sees you. Who knew I would turn into such a Halloween hype girl? I'm here for it. Let's taste them. I mean, yes! Wow, I have not had a Starburst in so long.
Treat yourself.
They hold up.
Treat yourself.
And with the sprinkles, it gives it like a fun little crunch.
Treat yourself.
Like, look at this. Are you kidding? Done. So just, guys, do yourself a favor and go to FancySprinkles.com and go get some Halloween sprinkles. Trust me, you're gonna want to do something fun. And then you're like, oh man, I know what I can do. DIY roses. You can use Onyx Black on them, make it like dark. Fancy Sprinkles, I love you. Thank you for the candy, for the gifts.